The economists in Pakistan have urged the United States to follow its commitment and remove additional tariffs, sanctions, and other suppressive measures against China, since the US-initiated trade dispute is affecting the entire global economics.
It is time that America lives up to its commitment to the deal. China has met most of those commitments that it signed on to. It is time that America also shows response to those meeting of commitments.
USA agreed in terms of reduction of tariffs, but unfortunately till today there has been no reduction in tariff.
China has tried its level best for the joint implementation of its Phase 1 economic and trade agreement with the United States. It also overcame the negative impacts of several exogenous factors like the pandemic, global economic recession, and the disrupted supply chains.
Now, if you look at it closely, it is basically the USA that is suffering from it. Most of the American firms are now complaining about it, that they have to pay high tariffs. China has always fulfilled its commitments and it has made a lot of effort.
It's very unfortunate that the previous regime in America, US, the Trump regime imposed a number of trade tariffs. These were increased up to 20%, which has not necessarily helped either the consumer or the businesses in America.
And unfortunately, I would term it as an economic failure. Reason being that it's not a win-win game. And over here, it's not just USA, but there are so many countries that are the victim of this trade dispute.
Protectionism is a vicious cycle that affects all countries badly. It would be for the interests of global trade and for better harmonious relationship between countries that these kind of protective measures are removed.